All right, we're here at the bridge overlooking Hoover Dam.
It's the damn dam.
It's the dam. It's pretty awesome.
It is looking pretty beautiful.
We're on our way to Grand Canyon for the rafting trip. Everyone say hi. Here, we're standing on Hoover Dam, bridge. Jules, say hi. Hi. Anything to say, Jacob?
It's hot.
Yeah, 2025, August 1st. Lake Mead's over here. This is Mather Point, Grand Canyon. Julia, Jacob, say hey, hey.
Hi.
Straight here from Hoover Dam. It's Friday, and we head down Bright Angel on Sunday for our rafting. If you look over there, that's the wildfire on the north rim. Say hi, Mom.
So excited to be here with Julia and Jacob.
Excellent. Another shot of the Grand Canyon. This is, if you look down, you can actually see the Bright Angel Trail. That's what we'll be taking on Sunday morning. It's really nice. This is about 6 o'clock. Yay! It's right across the crosswalk. We started our bike trip and ran into a whole family of elk and deer. Julie's in heaven. We're on the way to Hermit Road on our bikes. This is the first stop called Trailview Overlook. This is the Bright Angel Trail. We'll be doing that tomorrow as we hike down for our rafting trip. Say hi, good morning.
Good morning.
It's pretty amazing. Maricopa Point, third stop on our bike trail. Really amazing. Biking Hermit Road in the Grand Canyon. Here's a picture of Grand View on the east side of the Grand Canyon. Just started 5:20 in the morning. Just started Bright Angel Trail, and this is the fog sitting in the canyon, which is just amazing. Yeah. Yeah.
Just use the camera button on the video.
I did. Bright Angel, just under a mile in.
Sun's still.
Yep, sun's still behind. Here's the view the other way. It's 6:19, sun's just coming up over the canyon. It's amazing. It's fine. This is our trail that we're heading down. If you can see that. Get to 360 right in the middle of the canyon. It's amazing. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
It's a great day. We're at the 4.5 mile mark. It's flattened out a little bit. We're at Havasu Gardens. This ends up being the halfway point of our trip to the Colorado River. It's a nice flat area. 6 mile mark. Drop far into the canyon. We started all the way up there. We got a first creek crossing. We're at 6.5 miles.
You don't have your GoPro.
No. Seen a few snakes, a few deer. All good. We are at the 7 mile mark. We got real high and low in the valley here. Made it down to Hatch, made it down to our boats. We got a lunch waiting for us. Colorado River's about 45, 50 degrees. Made it to our lunch stop on day 2. Found a nice shady spot. Hey, pick up! Whoa! Yeah. Wow, look at that! That's crazy. Havasu Creek. Mom and Jacob having a squabble. All the way in the canyon. A bunch of waterfalls, pools, emerald green. There's Jules. All right.
Check for snakes before you go.
We're at Havasu Falls in Grand Canyon. We're gonna do this tunnel hike here. It's Havasu Creek. Havasu Falls. Hiking in the swimming hole.
Alright, oh, it's hard to zoom on it.